Hello, Vino 301 family. I am here with Pamela Shaw, Pam, and Pam is one of our tour ambassadors, and this is part of our series, Meet the Vino 301 Tour Ambassador. So say hello, Pam. Did you lose your voice that second?
A little bit. A little bit, but hello, everyone.
Like, not now. Don't lose your voice.
Right.
That is funny. So, Pam, how long have you been with Vino 301?
I've been with Vino 301 since 2018.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. I should know these things, but I don't recall.
I think it's 18.
Maybe so. I thought it was 17.
It may be 17. I think 2017. I've been with you for a long time, Leslie.
I know. I remember your interview at the Wegmans.
At Wegmans.
At Wegmans.
Yes, I was at Wegmans.
Yes, because Vino 301 is an online business, so we don't have offices.
Exactly.
So I like to refer to Wegmans, Starbucks, Panera as my satellite offices.
That's a good thing.
Yes, when I need to go get things done.
Mm-hmm.
I will go there. So Pam, what do you do when you're not leading tours?
I am a federal worker. I'm a federal government employee, have been a federal worker since for about over 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I do when I'm not working with Vino 301.
And your career in wine.
Yes, my career in wine, which I love.
Yes. So tell people, what is your favorite region to go to?
I have two.
Okay.
I love the Heritage because one of my favorite wineries is Robin Hill. Yes, that's one of my favorites. And then I think it's the Westminster area because I think Bordy.
No, that's Patasco.
Okay, Patasco. Okay, so yeah, so Bordy is another one of my favorites. So Patasco and the Heritage Tours are one of my favorites. Two of my favorites, actually.
So if you've never been on the Heritage region or you are not familiar with, that's Southern Maryland, Prince George's, Calvert County, and St. Mary's County. And why is it your favorite? Or why are those your favorite?
Okay, the Heritage is because it's right here in Prince George's County. And a lot of people know that Prince George's County has 4 wineries. Right. And even though I was born in Washington, D.C., and I'm a transplant here in Prince George's County for 20 years, I love Prince George's County. I can honestly say I love Prince George's County, and because the view when you're going down Southern Maryland is gorgeous, especially in the summertime or in the fall, and you see the trees changing. But it's a quiet kept secret that Prince George's County has 4 wineries. Yeah.
So the other wineries, the nice thing about that particular region, and we also go to other places in there, but the nice place, the nice thing is they're close together. Yes. So you don't spend most of your tour in the car.
Right, on the road.
You can go to Romano's, you can go to Jane Mark, you can go to Jiminy, and they're all within 5 to 10 minutes apart. Which
you forgot Robin Hill. Don't forget
Robin Hill. I'm sorry. Well, you had said Robin Hill.
I know.
Susan, we did not intend to slate you.
No.
Right?
Definitely not.
And so you can go to those all in one day. We don't do 4 vineyards in a day because it's just a hot mess, quite honestly, and people don't remember their last name after the tour. So we do at most 3, but it is very convenient compared to other parts of the state where you have to drive like 30 or 40 minutes between vineyards to get there. So we do account for that. But so why is Bordy that Patapsco region your second favorite?
Because they have a wide variety. They have the Sweet Land, which is their sweet brands. And then they have the like Rieslings, which is one of my favorite wines. Rieslings, they have Chambertin Merlot. They have a wide variety of wines that you can choose from. It's not like you have just six wines. You have more than six. You have like I said, the Rieslings, the Chambertin Merlots. They have the sweet wines like the Jazzberry, the spice apple. So a wide variety of wines that you can choose from.
Yeah, so it really is, you can find something there that you like.
Exactly.
When you go. Yeah. That is true. That is. And Bordy has really really worked hard in the past few years to like promote their landmark series.
Right.
And to work on their reputation of being serious winemakers, as well as having just, that cool summer drink to have. Right. So I'm really proud of them, the work that they have been doing. So hopefully we'll see you soon, Bordy.
Yes.
See you soon, James. I hope you're watching, James. Oh, and for the ladies, James is married, but he has this very intoxicating accent. So
yes.
Even when James is mad at me, I'm like, whatever, James, just
you
keep
can't
talking.
take James seriously. Sometimes you're like, are you mad or are you serious? Which one is it?
Right. He's gonna kill us. Okay, so what tips would you give people when they take a Vino 301 tour? Okay. Like if this is their first time and they've never taken a tour, what would you tell people to do?
Number one is dress comfortably. That's number one. I've seen people wear high heels and dress how you want, but because we're going to the actual vineyards, it's best to dress comfortably where you will feel like you're not overdressed and that you have to be uncomfortable. So that's number one. That's the number one thing. And the number two thing is to make sure that you eat, and because you're going to be drinking wine all day. So you would have to put something on your stomach so you won't get sick. Also, water. Drink plenty of water. That's the three most important things that I tell people when I'm getting ready to do the tour: to dress comfortably. If you're having lunch, if you're providing lunch, just make sure that you just keep snacking, and we provide water and snacks. So it would be best, to keep munching on something and to drink water.
It's funny. I interviewed Jen and Chandra. They did theirs together.
Right.
They said the exact same thing. So I'm just like, but yeah, I mean, it really is. It's no joke because our tours leave at 11:15, 11:30, and we don't return until 5.
That's a long day.
And it's a long day, and the vineyards in Maryland don't have kitchens, so they're not able to serve. They may have food trucks there if they hire a food truck for the day to be there, but they normally don't have that. And so when you go to a vineyard, there's at least 6 tastings you're doing. So it's like 2 vineyard. That's 12 ounces. That's almost a glass and a half of wine. Yeah. And then you'll get a glass afterwards, or you might share a bottle. And you do that 2 times, and that's a lot of wine to have on an empty stomach.
Exactly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. We've seen.
Oh, have we? Yes. Yes, we have helping people off the buses, off the vans. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah, most definitely.
Especially when it's hot too, because your wine dehydrates, so you're already dehydrated, and yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. So, last question: when this stay-at-home is over, what are you going to do first?
Leslie, we've had this conversation. First thing I'm going to do is go get their hair done and the nails. That's the first thing I'm going to do. The second thing I probably will do, if it's during the week and we have to go back to work, I probably go back to work. I don't know. That all depends. I'm being honest. It all depends. I hope none of my bosses are watching, but it all depends.
Yeah, they're not.
Okay, good. And get all my girlfriends together because they have been bugging me to take them on a wine tour.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take a bunch of my girlfriends probably to one of the vineyards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Some of them have already been to Robin Hill. So we're probably going to travel to Bordy.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yes. So we'll probably do that on my day off. But I think after this is over, Leslie, we're going to be busy.
I hope so.
We're going to be,
yeah.
I think we're going to be busy. We're going to be slammed with people requesting tours because people are up in the house. Mm-hmm.
I was listening to this podcast on my walk today, and it was, of course, it was about tourism. And the gentleman said that, very similar to 9/11, that after people felt comfortable, they were doing things that are closer to home instead of traveling outward. So this is definitely like that staycation. You may not want to go outside the state. So if you live in Prince George's County, you might want to go out to Frederick or Hagerstown, stay there, and then do like a wine tour or something.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. So don't hold me to this. I may work on Sundays, but don't hold me to it. Don't hold me to it. I'm just saying.
You could go to early service. Pastor Jenkins has early services, so.
And that's my only one day. That's on my only one day off when we go back.
Yes.
It'll be my only one day. But I may be working on Sundays to keep up. I'm just because I think we're gonna be really busy.
I hope so. It just will be nice to get out the house. It'll be nice, but I think it's going to be a new normal, and we probably will figure out, because there still will be this level of anxiety in the air.
Mm-hmm.
And so we just have to, make sure that we have distancing and that, we're wiping everything down, and so people feel comfortable going out, because that's the last thing we want for it to happen. So anything else, Pam, you'd like to tell the Vino 301 family?
Yes, I can't wait to see everybody. Hopefully this thing will be over soon and we can get back on the wine trails, and because we're coming. Vino 301
we'll be there.
We will be there. All you have to do is just hold your horses and just keep praying that this thing will be over soon and that everybody comes out healthy and whole without any traumatic experiences with this. I'm praying for each and everybody, to, stay home. Just stay home so we can get well, so we can see you guys.
Yes.
Here.
Well, thank you so much for your time. And we will chat with you later, Vino 301 family. Take care.
Bye. Take care.